Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is one of the most iconic American muscle cars of all time, known for its powerful performance and bold styling. Here's a full detail on this legendary vehicle. Overview. The 1970 Chevelle SS Super Sport was part of Chevrolet's midsize lineup and represented the peak of muscle car performance in the era. It was available as a coupe or convertible and became famous for its aggressive look and potent engine options. Exterior design. Body styles: two-door hardtop coupe or convertible. Dimensions: about 197 inches long, 76 inches wide, and 54 inches high with a wheelbase of 112 inches. Design features: dual headlights, a wide front grille, bulging fenders, and a sleek, muscular profile. The SS models were distinguished by a special domed hood with optional functional cowl induction and iconic racing stripes. Badging: SS badges on the grille, fenders, and rear panel. Colors: offered in various bold colors, including popular options like cranberry red, black cherry, and astro blue. Interior details. Seating: bench or bucket seats with vinyl or cloth upholstery. Dashboard: simple yet sporty layout with round gauges, including a speedometer, tachometer, and auxiliary dials. Options: tilt steering wheel, center console, AM/FM radio, and air conditioning were available. Comfort and features: basic by modern standards but focused on driver engagement and visibility. Performance and engine options. The 1970 Chevelle SS was known for its powerful engine lineup, with the most notable being SS 396 actually 402 cu and 6.6 L, 350 HP L34 or 375 HP L78 V8 engine. SS 454, LS5 454 cu and 7.4 L, 360 HP and 500 lb-ft of torque. LS6 454 cu and 7.4 L, a legendary engine producing 450 HP and 500 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most powerful factory engines of its time. Transmission options: 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual Muncie, or a 3-speed turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission. Performance specs. 0 to 60 miles per hour, approximately 5.4 seconds for the LS6 version. Quarter mile, mid to high 13-second range at around 105 miles per hour for the LS6. Top speed, estimated at around 140 miles per hour for the LS6. Suspension and handling. Front, independent coil springs. Rear, 4-link coil spring setup. Brakes, front disc brakes with rear drums were standard on SS models. Steering, power steering was optional, enhancing maneuverability. Popularity and legacy. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, particularly the LS6 model, is highly sought after by collectors due to its rarity and legendary status. It is celebrated as one of the greatest muscle cars ever built, with its unmatched combination of power, style, and nostalgia. Collectability and value. The value of a 1970 Chevelle SS varies significantly based on condition, originality, and engine type. The LS6 models are the most valuable, with fully restored examples often exceeding $150,000 or more at auctions. Would you like more details on any specific aspect, such as restoration tips, buying guides, or comparisons with other muscle cars of the era? Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to our channel.